when you talk of text activities, it simply means writing something with the right tool. And the tool we use here is called text tool, and it is represented by T. So on your left hand side you see T. So you click on the T, you come to your work, you click on your paper, then you write maybe your name. So my name is Rich May. So I type Rich May. After typing, on top you see the tick symbol, so you tick. After ticking it like this, click on move, then zoom your work. Zoom. You could see some small boxes at the edges. The boxes, we have to use the edges, the one at the edges, the four at the edges. When you click on the edges one, you click, then you drag. You see, when you click on the edges, the one at the edges, you can drag down. At the same time, you can drag to your left or your right, if only you use the side one. If you don't use the edges, the one at the edges, and use the one in the middle, you can only drag it up. The one in the middle, you can only drag it up, and the one middle down, you can only drag it down. And the one at your left hand side, the middle one, it can only go this direction, and the one at the right side, middle one, can only go this direction. But the one at the edges, when you click and hold, you can bring it down, you can take it to your left side. The same way when you come to the right side, at the edge, when you take the edge one, you can take it up, you can take it to the next, to your right or left hand side like this. So you see, so with this work, you need to do a lot of zooming. You need to zoom your work. It shouldn't be like this. It shouldn't be too long like this. We don't write like this. Are you watching? And it shouldn't be that too short like this. So it should be normal. It should be normal. I think this is normal. Then you tick. After ticking, if you want to work on it, click on T on your keyboard, T, or you go and click the T symbol, then you work on it. So you could see on top that we have some box on top here. If your own is not at area, click on the drop down arrow there. You could see some drop down arrow here. Click on it and look for area. Make sure your own is area. When you click on area, on the right hand side, you could see bold or narrow or italic. Select bold. We'll be using area for now. Don't use any other font. We are using area, and it's the best for this particular training. So after this, you can color your work, and you can give your work stroke. You can give your work a reasonable stroke. So you have your name written like this nicely,